Here I have OPPO K11 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. To do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings and then go to the accessibility. Then switch to division and go to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback, and after that Talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Gestures for certain features are now disabled. 1429. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. Gestures for certain features are now disabled.
So as you could hear, Talkback is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, I tap this close button and it
Close
says
button. Double tap to activate.
And it says close button. Double tap to activate. So as you could also guess, to confirm any action in this mode, you will have to double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it, like this.
Close tutorial.
For example, tap close, then it gets spoken out loud, and you double tap to confirm.
Navigate up.
So for example, if you want to disable it, tap on the switch,
Turn off
double tap,
Talkback.
stop, please.
Talkback off.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.